Hi, James with the 1hoursmarthome.com, and today we're going to show you how to wire up a smart switch with no neutral. So what we've got here is an existing switch all wired up just like you'd normally have in your house. And then this smart switch, this is called the Lutron Caseta, is what we're going to be installing today. It does not require a neutral wire. What you can see on the back here is that it only has two wires and a ground. So you don't need a neutral wire, it's just got a hot wire and a load wire. And the other nice thing about this is that these are completely reversible. It doesn't matter if you install them in the hot or the load, they will work. So this is what it is. This is the Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer. This is a smart home system. It will work with your house and allow you to control your switch with your phone or with Alexa or Google. Completely smart dimmer, really nice high-end dimmer here. These work really well. So we'll put a link to these below on Amazon where you can find these, and I highly recommend these if you have an older house or a home that does not have a neutral wire and you want a smart light switch that'll wire up without a neutral. So let's get started. Standard light switch here, you just take the faceplate off. You would already have the screws in there, but I assume that you know how to take screws off of a light switch. Then we've got two light screws that are holding the light switch onto the junction box, and you want to make sure the power is off obviously before you do this. You don't want to get shocked, so just go ahead, use a screwdriver, whatever you got. If you've got a drill driver, that'll work as well. So we've got that one out, and we're going to remove the lower one. All right, and once you have these screws removed, basically what you're going to do is just pull these forward so that you can access the wiring for the light switch. You can see on this side we've got our ground wire. We're going to remove that, and then you can see over here we've got our load wire, which is the wire that goes from the light switch to the light or fixture. And then your hot wire is the wire that comes from your electrical panel into the light switch. So the hot wire is down here. So we only have two wires hooked up to this light switch, and those are the only two light switch wires we're going to need. So we're just going to remove those. You can do so just by loosening them. Your wires may be wrapped around the screw here. You can just remove them by undoing them. Remove the ground wire, loosen that up, and sometimes you can see it's like bent in there like so. So we've got our ground wire, we've got our hot and our load wires, and I'm just going to start first by wiring up the ground wire here. So you would just take your ground wire, the G, to the unshielded wire, the other copper wire, screw that wire nut on like so. And the trick with wire nuts is that you kind of want to feel that wire twist and turn the first time, and then you know that you've made a good connection. So like I said, for this Lutron Caseta light switch, it does not matter which wire goes where, the hot or the load. So I'm just going to start by wiring up the one wire here to the hot wire. Okay. All right. And now I'm going to wire this one up here to the load wire, and we are going to have this thing all wired up. All right, so I've got all my electrical connectors on. Then you just need to fold the wires kind of back into the box, which can be tricky sometimes, and depending on what kind of boxes you have. With these metal junction boxes, the deeper box you have, the better, but these will still fit in shallow wires, or shallow boxes. But what you can see here is this is pretty deep. So you just kind of got to take your time folding the wires in there. If at first you don't succeed, try again and kind of fold them in there as good as you can. The ground wire is usually one of the harder ones to get in there. I don't know why, but all right, then you take the switch, you put it back on here, and we are going to screw it back down. Okay, so take your two screws. We're going to take the first one, screw it in on top there. Give us a second. There we go. We got that started. Okay, screw that in. Take the screw off the old switch. We want to make sure we got that. So I'm just doing that right now. All right. We've got the screw here. We're going to put that in, screw that in. Okay. Essentially, the light switch is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and plug the power in, and all right. You would put these screws back on here, and you can see this light switch is working. We are all set, and all you would do is just open up the Lutron Caseta app, and you could program this on the Lutron Caseta app, and then you will have a smart light switch with no neutral that will allow you to control it from your phone, and then you can connect it to Alexa or Google Home and control it with your voice. So this is pretty much the only light switch I know of out there that works well with Alexa and Google Home and does not require neutral. So highly recommend this if you are planning to install a smart switch and you don't have a neutral wire, which most older homes do not have a neutral wire. Some do, some don't, but just for ease, if you want to make it easier on yourself and you don't want to hire an electrician, this is the way to go. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe. We will see you next time.